for this off-chain validated proof technique, right? So we have like a few choices here, not too many. So one is hardware-based. Basically, like I said, the TE-based security element, SGX, trust zone. So they are all like hardware-based, right? So if you trust Intel, if you trust ARM, you can use hardware they provide to produce this like validated proofs, which is like a one very practical approach. A lot of kind of engineering mindset people like.
Mm-hmm.
That's why, unfortunately not favored by the crypto people. You know, crypto people trust math, right? So that's why they love their knowledge proof, right? So their knowledge proof, I think it's relatively not too new, but like going rapidly, like progressing within those years.
Mm-hmm.
I think the biggest problem right now is still like the velocity, the speed for proof generation is very slow. But I think we're getting there. We're getting there. And another technology is MPC, like this, like a multi-part like computation. That means, maybe you, me, some other guys, we three basically sitting down to compute a problem, right? Hard problem. But none of us know the details, the answer to the problem, but we collectively somehow we solve the problem. So that is called MPC. So this one is still like within the academic region right now because it's very high complexity on the communication side. And I think the final one is fully homomorphic encryption. That's also like a black magic to everybody, right? So you can encrypt something, then you can like do compute on top of the encrypted form of the data, and still getting like the correct result, right? So I think that one is also going more into practical these years. There's some hope, like fully homomorphic encryption will become a thing in the next decade or so.